Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movie. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you need help in this assignment and if you want to deal for this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Okay, Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movie. Click on download material button. So click on download all files button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. First we will open our instruction file. Okay, click on enable editing button. So we will click open our Excel workbook. The title of assignment is XB22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movie. I will increase the font size of this title and highlight for a proper view in my video. Okay, so under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instruction, select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So moving on first question. In first question, start Excel. Download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movie. Excel grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I am going to opening my Excel workbook right now. So click on enable editing button. So we will moving on next point is question number 2. Question number 2. You want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to the monthly movie downloads. Select the range F5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to a chart sheet named April pie chart. Okay. In this question, basically in this question, we will select these two ranges A5 to A10. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will select first range. This range will be selected. Press Ctrl and then we will select second range is F5 to F10. Okay, and we will select second range. Press command and select second range. Both ranges will be selected. So we will go to the insert tab in the charts group. We will open our charts launcher box. Go to the all charts. Go to the pie chart. We will insert our pie chart using these two ranges. Okay. Our pie chart is created now. So we will move the chart to a chart sheet named April pie chart. We will move this chart to a new sheet April pie chart. We will go to location group, click on move chart button, click on new sheet. The new sheet name is April pie chart. Click on OK button. So our chart will be moved on a new sheet April pie chart. So we will moving on. Next question is question number 3. In question number 3, the chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. The type April 2024 downloads by genre as the chart title. Apply bold 18-point font size and black text one font color. Okay, we will type this April 2024 downloads by genre as chart title. We will click on chart title. We will enter chart title is April 2024 downloads by genre. So apply bold and 18-point font size and black text font color. We will select this chart title and go to the home tab. In the font group, we will apply bold and 18-point font size. 18-point font size. So and apply bold in the font group. Apply bold and we will go to the colors and we will apply black text font color. Go to the font colors and we will apply black text font color on this chart title. So this question is done now. We are moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that percentage and category data label will provide identification information for the pie chart. Add data label in the inside and position. Select the category name and percentage labels. Remove value data label and the legend. Apply 14-point font size. Black text 1 font color to the data label. The first point of this question, we will add a data label in the inside and position. We will go to our chart, go to chart element button and go to the data label. Data label is inside and position. Okay, data label is inside and position. So the next is that select the category name and percentage labels. Select the category name. We will select this category name. Click on format data labels. So we will select category name and percentage and remove value from the data labels. And remove value data labels and then legend and the legend. Remove value data labels and the legend from the chart. Okay. Value remove and legend remove from the chart. Legend will be removed. Click on this checkbox. Uncheck the legend box. So apply 14 font size and black text 1 font color to the data labels. Okay. Apply 14 point font size and black text 1 font color to the data label. Okay. 14 font size and apply black text 1 font color to the data label. So we will move on question number 5. In question number 5, you want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. Explore the comedy slide by 7%. Double click on comedy slides. This comedy slide will be selected. So we will explore this comedy slide by 7%. 7%. Okay. And then apply dark red fill color. So we will go to the fill colors and we will apply solid fill color. We will select dark red. Okay. On comedy slice. You can see I have applied dark red fill color on comedy slice. So we will moving on question number 6 of this assignment. In question number 6, a best practice is to include alt text for accessibility compliance. At the alt text, the pie chart shows percentage of downloads by genre for April 2024. We will copy this alt text, right click on this chart, click on alt text button. So we will add the alt text in this box. Okay, and then simply close this. So we will move on question number 7 of this assignment. In question number 7, next you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and percentage by category. Display the data sheet, select the ranges F4 to A10 and F4 to G10 and then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. Basically in this question, we will display the data worksheet. Click on data sheet. So we will select this ranges which is given in the question A4 to A10. First range is A4 to A10. We will go to our Excel workbook, select this range A4 to A10, press command and then we will select second range F4 to F10. Press control and then select second range F4 to F10. Okay, G10, sorry, F4 to G10. So we will create a cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Go to the insert tab in the charts group. We will go to the combo charts. Okay, combo charts line on secondary axis. You can see cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Click on OK button. This chart will be created then inserted. So moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that you want to position the chart below the data source, cut the chart and paste it into cell A13, change the height to 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches. The first point of this question is that we will cut the chart and paste into cell A13. Okay. Cut the chart. Simply cut this chart. Go to Home tab in the clipboard group. Click on Cut button and paste into cell A13. Okay, chart will be cut and paste into cell A13. So the next point of this question is that Change the height to 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches. Okay. So change the height to 3.5 inches and width to 6 inches. Go to the Format tab. Click on chart. Go to Format tab. Height is 3.5 inches and width to 6 inches. Okay, width of chart is 6 inches. We will set the width on 6 inches. Okay, so I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 9. Change the combo chart title to April 2024 downloads. Apply black text one font color to the chart title. Okay, change the combo chart title to April 2024 downloads. We will click on combo chart title. We will select this chart title and we will enter this chart title April 2024 downloads. So apply black text one font color to the chart title. We will select this chart title and go to the home tab in the font group. Click on font color. We will apply black text one font color on this chart title. So we will moving on question number 10 of this assignment. Question number 10 is that add tag axis title will have destiny. Yes, the number and percentage of download. Add a primary value axis title. So we will add a primary value axis title and type number of download, add a secondary value axis title, type percentage of monthly download, apply black text one font color to the value, both value axis title. First is that we will have to add a primary value axis title, go to the chart, click on chart element button. Sorry, we will select primary value axis title, click on chart element button, go to axis title, click on primary horizontal primary vertical checkbox and we will enter primary vertical title is okay number of downloads is primary value axis title, so add a secondary value axis title and type percentage of monthly download. So we will have to add a secondary value axis title. Go to the chart element button and go to the axis title. Secondary vertical is, we will select this title and we will enter title is here. Secondary vertical axis percentage of monthly downloads. Apply black text font color to the both value axis. We will select both value axis. Okay. Go to the home tab. In the font group, apply black text font color. We will select this title. In the home tab, in the font group, apply black font. Okay. So we will moving on next question is question number 11. In question number 11, now that you added an axis title for each vertical axis, you can remove the legend and format the secondary value axis to display whole percentage. Remove the legend for the combo chart, display 0 decimal places. Display 0 decimal places for the secondary value axis. First is that we remove the legend from the combo chart. We will click on chart element button, click OK, uncheck the legend box. Legend will be removed from the chart. So display 0 decimal places for the secondary value axis. Okay, go to the numbers and decimal place is 0. Okay, so we'll close the task pane. So I'm going to do question number 12 of this. Okay, I just show you 11 question in my video. Total question is 21. If you need help in this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. You can contact me on my WhatsApp link as email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do your complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Now I am going to submit this assignment on MATLAB Pearson and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. Okay, I just show you 11 question in my video, but I have done this complete assignment. Done this complete assignment for my student. You can see on my laptop screen. Now I am going to submit this assignment on MATLAB Pearson portal. I am going to save this file first on desktop. Okay, go to MATLAB Pearson. Okay, click on upload file for submitting for grading. Select this file, click on open button, click on upload button. Okay, click on continue. So you can see my grade which I have got in this assignment. I have got 100% grade in this assignment. If you want to do if you want to do this assignment from me, I can do this complete assignment for you, and I can do this complete course for you with A plus grade.